In this video, I'm going to show you how to export customer data on Whop step by step, so you can quickly pull the user details you need without wasting time searching through the dashboard. Whether you want to review member activity, check transaction data, or download customer information for reporting, this process is simple once you know where to click. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, sign into your account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because it helps you start from the main account area and makes it easier to find the right tools. From there, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Dashboard. This will open your main dashboard view, where Whop organizes your management tools and data controls. Now, in the dashboard, look for the Users tab inside your Management Directory panel. Click on Users, and Whop will load your Master User Details table. This table contains the customer and member information you may want to export, along with transaction metadata and other useful account details. Once the table loads, take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct user data before moving forward. Next, locate the Export button in the top right corner of the table workspace and click it. As soon as you do, an Export User's Configuration menu will appear. This is where you choose exactly how your data will be extracted, so you can make sure you only download what you actually need. Inside the Export pop-up, you'll first see filter options and column settings. Start by choosing your time zone. You can select local time if you want the data to match your region, or choose UTC if you need universal time formatting for reporting or analysis. After that, set your date range. You can pick something like last 7 days, last month, or a custom range depending on how much history you want to audit. This step is especially useful if you only need recent customer data instead of your entire user list. Then, move to the column section. Here, check the specific fields you want to download. For example, you may want name, email, total spend, join date, or plan status. Choosing only the columns you need can make your CSV file cleaner and easier to work with later, especially if you're importing the data into spreadsheets or another business tool. Once your filters or columns are set up correctly, double-check everything one last time. Make sure the time zone is right, the date range matches your goal, and the selected columns are exactly what you want in the export. When you're ready, click the Final Export button inside the pop-up window. Whop will then process the request and compile your data securely. After a moment, the CSV file will download directly into your browser's default downloads tray. From there, you can open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet software to review, sort, and analyze your customer data. And that's it. You've successfully exported customer data on Whop. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.